friends, myself Dr. Chan. So today we will discuss plasma protein. So there are total 11 functions of plasma protein. First function is plasma protein exert osmotic pressure. प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन कैपिलरी मेम्ब्रेन को पास नहीं कर पाते हैं, इसलिए वो प्रेशर लगाते हैं. प्रेशर कितना हमने पिछली वीडियो में देखा था. ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर ऑफ प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन कितना होता है 25 mmHg. सो उतना वो प्रेशर लगाएंगे कैपिलरी मेम्ब्रेन पे, उनको पास होना होगा इसलिए. अब जो 25 mmHg प्रेशर लगा रहे हैं उसमें से 70 to 80% कौन लगा रहा है, तो एल्बुमिन. मतलब प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन भी डिवाइड हुआ है एल्बुमिन, ग्लोबुलिन एंड फाइब्रिनोजन. अब जितना ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर लगा है उसमें से 70 to 80% सिर्फ एल्बुमिन लगाता है कैपिलरी मेम्ब्रेन पे प्रेशर. सो colloid osmotic pressure plays an important role in exchange of water between blood and tissue fluid. Second function is contribution to blood viscosity. अब इसमें फाइब्रिनोजन और ड्यू टू देयर asymmetrical shape they are significant contributors to blood viscosity. Now what the blood viscosity will do? Blood viscosity plays an important role in the maintenance of blood pressure by providing resistance to flow of blood in blood vessels. So third function is role in defense mechanism of body. हमने पिछली वीडियो में देखा था गामा ग्लोबुलिन. They act as antibodies and therefore they play an important role in the immune system. फोर्थ फंक्शन इज रोल इन कोएगुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड. ये फंक्शन किसके थ्रू होता है, तो फाइब्रिनोजन, प्रोथ्रोम्बिन एंड अदर कोएगुलेशन प्रोटीन्स, दे ऑल आर प्रेजेंट इन प्लाज्मा. फिफ्थ फंक्शन इज रोल इन मेंटेनिंग एसिड बेस बैलेंस ऑफ बॉडी. प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स एक्ट एज बफर्स एंड contribute for about 15% of buffering capacity of blood. Sixth function is transport function. CO2 is transported by plasma protein in the form of carb amino compound. Thyroxine is transported by an alpha globulin called thyroxine binding protein. Cortisol is transported by transcortin, which is a mucoprotein. Okay. Now vitamin A, D, E is transported by HDL and LDL. Vitamin B12 bound to transcobalamin for their transport. Bilirubin associated with albumin and fractions of alpha globulin for their transport. Drugs transported after combining with albumin. Calcium past 50% bound to proteins for transport. Copper bound to ceruloplasmin, that is alpha 2 globulin for their transport. Free hemoglobin bound by haptoglobin and carried to reticuloendothelial system. Seventh function is role as reserve proteins. Plasma proteins serve as reserve proteins and are utilized by the body tissues during conditions like fasting, inadequate protein intake, excessive catabolism of body proteins. Eighth function is role in suspension stability of RBC. Now what is suspension stability? It is a property of RBCs due to which they remain uniformly suspended in the blood. And this function is done by globulin and fibrinogen. Ninth function is fibrinolytic function. Enzymes of fibrinolytic system digest the intravascular clot, that is thrombus, therefore save from effects of thrombosis. Tenth function is role in genetic information. Many plasma proteins exhibit polymorphism. Now what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is a Mendelian trait that exists in population with differing prevalence. 11th function is role of nourishment of tissue cells. In this function, plasma protein combine with leukocytes and forms tryphones or carols, which are essential for the nourishment of tissue cell.